They say most things in life happen quietly. No fireworks, no music swelling in the background, just the faint hum of the city. And a moment you don't realize is changing everything. That's how it was with him. It began with the scent of his coffee. It lingered after he passed by. Dark roast, unapologetically bitter. No sugar, no milk. As if he wanted the world to know he didn't need softening. That scent drifted through the open office like a quiet confession. Sometimes my fingers hovered above the keyboard, paused between numbers and words, wanting, just for a moment, to reach out, to touch. He was my senior, composed, unreadable, the kind of man whose silence filled the room. When he leaned over my desk to check a report, his sleeve brushed mine. Harmless, professional, and yet, my heart didn't agree. It started at the coffee machine, a place meant for small talk, nothing more. But the silence between us stretched differently. His hand brushed mine once. I laughed it off. He didn't. Something flickered in his gaze, brief but real. A look that told me I wasn't imagining it, that the stillness between us meant something. After that, we crossed paths more often, at the machine, in the corridor, at the elevator. Safe words, soft glances. There was a rhythm to it, like a song only we could hear, and every morning I woke up hoping for another note. It happened on a Tuesday. I was waiting by the elevators when I heard his voice.
Kenji-kun, going for lunch?
Yes, of course, Hiroshi-san. We walked together, two colleagues stepping out for a meal. We didn't talk much, a few words about the weather, the broth, enough to keep the silence from breaking, but beneath it, an undercurrent neither of us named. He looked at me long enough to make time hesitate. In that moment, the world outside blurred into steam and rain. When he smiled, barely, it felt like an answer to a question I hadn't dared to ask. Tuesdays turned into Thursdays. Lunches became ritual. We started sitting on the same park bench afterward, pretending it was coincidence. One afternoon, a gust scattered leaves across our laps. He reached over, brushed one from my hair. His fingers lingered, just a breath too long, near my jaw. It was